What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I have got a treat for you, baby. This is a 2-bedroom fifth wheel with a loft. I think you guys are gonna like it. This is the 2026 Sabre 36DBB. And today we are down at Funtown RV's PDI facility here in Elkhart, Indiana, getting ready to get this thing put together and shipped out to one of their locations. So I'm gonna put a link for Funtown down in the description, along with all of the specifications, you know, the length, the height, length, and look at those windows. I always like the mirrored reflective finish. The Cherokee division came out with those, I believe, first on the Alpha Wolf travel trailer. I was selling them like 4 years ago. I just think they're pretty darn sharp. It's kind of like sunglasses for your RV, but man, good looking stuff. It's a dual axle fifth wheel here, but you can see tons of room. You got the auto leveling. You even have things like a little bit of bigger pass-through storage, or at least not, maybe not height, but like width-wise, it's pretty darn good. And you got yourself a little refrigerate tour. Maybe put about a 24 rack of Rooski of some apple juice in that bad boy. Then obviously you see the LED lights. LP Quick Connect here. But if you guys don't mind, drop a comment, always helps me. Hit that like and subscribe button. Here are some of the features if you guys want to do a quick little pause on that. But you know, tire pressure monitoring system, vacuum bonded sidewalls, you know, the works there, but you also got the decor. Love the way that Sabres look. As you guys have probably heard, I am teaming up with Sabre for my very own floor plan. So very exciting. So obviously I'm a big fan of Sabre because I'm about to own one, and we're about to be making a whole bunch of videos out of that. Not only tours, but some lifestyle content. The one thing that I like about this one in particular is not only is it the 2-bedroom with the loft kind of setup, but they actually have enough seating. And that's going to be the problem in a lot of these 2-bedroom RVs, is they usually put a dinette here and then seating there with the TV across it. Well, I like how they went with the super sofa. One, you can sleep like a grandkid or two there, but they all lay back pretty nice and flat. But then right here is going to be the dinette situation. So it's going to be a little butcher block top, which, babe, if you're watching, I love you. You got the flip-up countertop right here, which is held together by some pretty beefy body boy magnets right there. And then you flip around and you see you have a little bit of cabinetry along with, you know, some storage. Things like a, you know, a pull-out trash can. Oh, what's that? A little sneaky deaky, baby. You got that right there. 4-point camera prep. They have the side camera prep? I sure do. I like that. Okay, it's cool. So, you know, I read real good. So that's where I see it. That's part of the Sweet 16 features. Hopefully I get that one on mine. I didn't know it was coming with that. Actually, I should have paid attention. I'm doing proto video number 2 here in a couple weeks. TikTok Sink-a-Rooney. So you got your cup cleaner, soap dispenser with the waterfall, with the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. And then, of course, you know, the overhead storage there too as well, along with plenty of outlets. Now, the one thing that you know I don't like about Sabre is going to be these zebra shades, but that'd be the first thing that I would replace. But I'll tell you, if that's the only thing you don't like, you know, you're doing all right. LEDs run all the way down to the end. You also got good lights up top and then a way to circulate some of the air. And this one in particular is coming with 2 ACs on it, so 2 15K ACs for you. A big old 12-volt refrigerator, which is latched in right now, so I won't be opening that up. But it's going to be, I believe, an 18 cubic foot refrigerator. Run off the solar, you know, your fridge, you know, things of that nature. Open up the cabinet, bada bing, bada boom. It's also going to be soft close. Convection microwave too, which is always nice. You can bake a potato in that bad boy. Never used a convection microwave, but I think here soon, once I have one, probably do a video on... might just bake some croissants and I say you can make a chicken in it. I'd have a hard time believing it, but I want to check it out for my own self. The 3 top burner to whip up all the fixings. And then, of course, you got yourself a little stuff right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, another cool thing. You got your TV. One, it's going to be on a little bit of a swivel. You got a little storage, fireplace to keep your roasty and a toasty. But then also you have the hidden pantry right here as well. So a really good place for all of your blankets, you know, maybe like you can hang up like a vacuum or some hanging clothes in there. You do have a little light there as well. There you go. Works better with the switch right there. And then you have the little octopus guys, you know, hang a hoodie on me. And you are good to go. Before we get to bedroom number 2, I want to show you the one and only loft. So you got a swing arm ladder right there. And I think that makes for a pretty cool little situation here up top. You also have the cubbies on both sides there for your storage. And then you have a drop frame heading into the bedroom. So you're still going to get pretty good head height in here. I'm 6 foot, 6'1", you know, with the Skechers and the hat on, like I like to say. And you got probably, like, what'd you say, 6'4" there? Queen bed. See if there's storage up underneath. Yeah, so you got a queen bed with storage there up underneath. You also have USB Universal C inverted outlets as well. And then, boom, baby. You got the hanging rod. Got the little cubbies there. And then you have your pullouts down below, your little storage totes, along with your first of 2 baths. So right there, you got a plastic foot flush throne, the composite steps that flip out to the door so you can go in and out. You got a mirror to show off the old bowling gun, baby. And bada bing, bada boom. You also got sink, a little bit of storage here. And then you got a little baby tub right there. So my little daughter's probably outgrown it at this stage, but a couple years ago, playing with her Barbies or, you know, Crayola crayons, things of that nature would be pretty nice. Now, I know that for me, I'm not going to have the head height to stand in here. So I'm going to have to crunch down. That's real footage. That's how I'd be showering back here. But for anyone else, you'd be all right. All right, let's go check out the front here. Yeah, look at that. All right, so right here is going to be, you know, all your different tank levels. You're also going to get all of your beds, your wardrobe, and your awning controls, along with the Furrion control there for your, you know, hot, heat, and cold, your AC and your furnace. And then you have the auto detect right here for your fuse box. So if something isn't working, you know, you can find out why. Got the pull-out drawer right there. You're also going to see a porcelain foot flush throne, and then the Tri-Glide glass series. I usually like to open the door on the other side, which you can, but for speed purposes, I'm just going to scoot my big booty in here. But 6 foot, 330. You got about 6'4" for head clearance. You got enough room for, I'm going to say 2 flats, but probably maybe one roundy and somebody else. It's probably just a roundy rating. I'd give it a roundy rating of 1.3 because you do have quite a bit of room to move around. Boom! Bang! Boop! Boop! All right. Now coming back into here, you got your bedroom looking all nice. You got your king bed with king size storage there up underneath. Storage up on the side, along with USB, Universal C, the backlit, and then you also have your projector screen right there as well for that, along with the slide out here. 4 pull-out drawers, and then the same closet that I am getting with the washer and dryer setup, and then bada bing, bada boom, baby. Ready to rock with your washer and dryer. But all right, guys, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Now I'm going to head around the outside here real quick, and we will go from there. But again, it's the 2026 Sabre 36DBB. Norco chassis, so they went away from the other chassis and went with the Norco, which is going to be nice because it's held together with your huck bolts. And like I found out with you live and on camera, you got the 4-camera safety system. So one right here, one on the other side, one above the door and one in the back. Now you do have a molded fiberglass front cap. They also have the LEDs running up in the front, which I'll turn that, it's right there. So I'll turn that around on the exterior, or the other side of the camper's tour. And then you have your awning with the LED lights running there up underneath as well. Propane behind this door, LP quick connect there, composite steps that flip up into the doorway. And then of course, you got your latch on schnozzle. And then come on into the back, you see your second entrance. That's where that other bathroom was. And then of course you have your, that is super tall going up there, but you got your backup camera prep and then your plug-in here into the back. Now coming around on the side, you got your sewer outlet connection, 3 different slide outs here. So you got a place right there where you can put a slide topper there and there. And what that's gonna do is not allow debris to fall on top of your unit there for you. All right, so right here, you're gonna have your hot and cold water in the form of a on-demand hot water heater. You also have hot and cold water right here at hot and cold, geez, oh Peach, that's your hot water heater. This is your hot and cold water in the form of an outside shower. You also have your 2 black tank flushes, as well as your auto leveling system there too as well, along with your propane here too. This right there is the switch. You also got your spare tire, you know, with your battery, your ventilation for your batteries. But I think that's a pretty good little overview, guys. Like I said, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2026 Sabre 36DBB. Have a great day. See ya.